Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the Grand. Today is my presentation submitted by Sajar Ali, submitted by the Dr. Ayaz Ali Sheikh, BCS 2K70 batch LCS. Today is my topic artificial intelligence outline, introduction, history, cross-state application. First of all, I discuss about what is the artificial intelligent AI. A designer making by Homer and unit by powerful machine AI can ultimate Homer to function on part of their rules, data, and more value. This is a diagram, a machine, artificial intelligence. There is the mind of artificial. That is the artificial design. Intelligent to my brand is the many brand intelligent. Artificial intelligence to searching on the design and machine. Create many designing machine. Artificial intelligence and is a summation of intelligence by machine, the solution problem, ability to rise, ability to etc. like if we are going to asking that cave programming thinking like we must have some way different mind how think we need to get at the action working to minute there are two way to did this especially types of catch over as data go by of through coffee. Once we have a explained provide of the many in become posting the experience that the name this or computer programming if the programming input output and timing machine homogeneous that is divided that some of the programming machine many also been operating Homer. Action or remote meaning action to activity one goes gave on the understanding about the world in get is a system the in provide and activity with and data and analysis again in one other with request of it goes. There are three basic apple provide to AL system. Addition required meaning action of so to one God gave one bleed make create information in some time part of being a requestion that because one way to running get 2% to the crowd that is a cave action will on course and there a cat of the corrosion instead of eating hard cat and hormone and function. The solution of programming history and hardcast overall. Roboting have become with comments in many can do request test. Audition that make data mini person through a manager. Roboting are everywhere for search science function to you loading history where they are changing headphone for the most part their robotic research are to decay for extent visible more their name to the by there are marked with a big information on the field of machine. Roboting is a machine helped by required machine. A person process for required text there are timing away for the more process. There can also process as in the play in designing submitted robotic machine assigned a machine visible state or in the where there is a need for the home process room away number of scales provide once their robot assigned also automatic enter information into a play electronic hard recording. This global install initial robot mark in the way roboting in help information computerize rules operation course and many operating in the use outside that provide and computerize to low cost because of low memory costs. However, recording board costs have their comprise changing their restaurant. The way of the baking and function comprise a business there someone called robot process automatic RPA. It is a valuable work function basically of software that free up more estimate to function to last tags the only homo do will one write up different to the other their yellow and roboted designing assigned to follow in the changeable is a connector of automata art and education. Get for plain white arrow complete creating a robot to teach subjects. Robot is a artificial that provide system USA of and complete data addition, explain and teaching Oracle Nove with documents and Prussian free blue and when USA. Robot is also in the USA with officially to Gray for no. A robot can play in the information report in the education to of people but will never fully request teacher never study right to science robot so robot are the problems in the teacher of the subject such as provide numbers but can teach as provide especially required and for especially means their rules and by officially to other teacher assigned or lost of the format feature application of IT a compilation of automated hardcore function video game application of IT hard course for assigned doctor education of automated grade system automatic value of the business of smoothing process treating for a process between um, medical of science solution. Thank you so much. I hope you understand artificial intelligence.